All right, so the long-awaited day has finally come, and I just got my OneWheel XR. I took advantage of the Black Friday deal, Cyber Monday, Black Friday. You know, they combined it into one. Been waiting for this for a while, and the wait is finally over. Okay, so I actually just got done watching a bunch of unboxing videos to see how I wanted to do this, and immediately the first thing I noticed is that they've changed the packaging. Not a huge deal, but I did know, one of the last videos I watched, they had foam instead of this like cardboard or whatever you want to call this, but hopefully I won't be needing to ship this too often, so it shouldn't be necessary. But I did watch the official OneWheel unboxing, and they recommend you keep both the shipping packaging and the box just in case you need to send it in for any tune-ups, warranty, or what have you. And then if you ever just need to ship it, it's nice to have the original packaging because you know it will protect it. The box is pretty heavy, and that's the rest of what is in this shipping box. I'll go ahead and toss that to the side, put that in my closet of boxes for later, for when I need it. Right here you got all the stats, the apps, risk, and a dope picture of a guy riding one on the bridge. Not sure what city that is. Looks like the San Francisco bridge though, maybe, with that right there, since it is a California company. On the side we got OneWheel Santa Cruz. Looks like I got a beat up box already. It's had a rough life, I guess. Front of the box, you got the classic picture, OneWheel XR, the range in miles and kilometers, manufacturer and country. And then on the side you got Lassie and a beautiful product shot right there. All right, so getting into the meat and potatoes. Let's see. Okay, and I think this is standard in every OneWheel box, no matter when you got yours or which model. You got your owner's manual. Probably, usually I don't read these, but since it is a completely different product than anything I've ever owned or ridden, I'll probably do a brief skim of this as I charge it so I can go on my first full ride. If the battery has any in it at all right now, I am going to try to ride it just to see if I can do it without the instructions. Looks like it's stuck on there with some sort of adhesive, but it comes off pretty easily. And yeah, I got a little bit of the back, but whatever. And more padding. Try to take out all the peripherals first. Here are the famous business cards that have spilled because whoever put it in the box. Oh, no, there's a hole in the bag. Even better, got a hole in the bag. But yeah, OneWheel business cards. It would be nice if these had like an affiliate link or something like that. I know a lot of companies do the referral program. If you refer people through your unique link, then they either give you money back or some sort of credit like in their marketplace. OneWheel, you should definitely consider that. If anybody from OneWheel is watching this, that'd be a huge promotion factor to actually get people to carry these on them, because I haven't really heard of too many people who actually carry these around. Pretty sure most people get this lovely stack of what looks like close to 50, maybe 30, and then just, I'll leave that for later, and then just probably throw them in the box and never look at them again. So if you actually want people to pass those out, maybe consider putting a unique referral link on there for like an ambassador program or something. So it looks like the charger was zip tied or whatever you call these things onto the side. Standard block charger. If you've ever had an electronic in the last 10 years. Here's the charger that goes directly into the port. Standard American plug. And that's it, pretty simple box. So without further ado, OneWheel XR. Just got a paper cut, that's gonna hurt later. Annoyed by that. Okay, this wasn't attached. It's really annoying. Just a quick start guide. Tells you how to get on, tells you to download the app. And let's see. This is how to place your feet. This one was actually attached, go figure. Didn't get paper cut on this one yet. Yeah, so this just basically tells you how to put your feet on the board and how to get off. Here is the famous go-kart tire. Filled up pretty sturdily actually. Should get out my tire gauge and see what the starting PSI is. That way I can try to keep that consistent. Actually will do that for the next video, but very smooth. And I'm very excited. Let's see if it turns on. So it does not turn on. Oh, maybe. I think, okay, so it's blinking, so I'm assuming that means it needs the pair. And I will save that for another video. So this has been my unboxing of the OneWheel XR. And look out for more updates to come. Thanks. Okay, that's what they're talking about.